Hello.
Hello, Coach. Good morning.
Good morning.
Another game this weekend, a very difficult ground as we face Bibiani GoldStars in our quest for the challenge. How are you and your boys preparing for this game, and what will be the approach like?
The approach will be very serious, but we should admit it. We are going to meet one of the best one of the best team in the league today. On Sunday, they are very good and they have more advantage by playing at home. So it double our tax seriously in meeting them. So we are preparing towards that.
Coach, you are meeting a side that, as you rightly pointed out, has this experienced coach that you know so well, and then experienced players. Does it make it different in terms of your approach to other games?
Well, it will be because this is a team that is questioning trying to win the league. So definitely they will never sit down for anybody to stop them from winning the league. And we are also we want to be competitive in the quest for the league. So definitely it will be very tough for both of us. It won't be easy. It will be very tough for both of us. Even though they start advantage, because if you are going to play at home, you really have the advantage more than the person coming. But that will not deter us from coming in for what we wanted.
Coach, last Sunday you scored 4 goals, and most of the supporters and then pundits of the game are saying that they really enjoyed that game. I think coaches will always say that the work ethics of their players makes the job a bit easier. How would you rate the work ethic of your players?
Well, I think they are responding very well to the dynamics of the game. You know, I'm a new coach. They've already started with somebody, and I like their attitude of learning, because when the only thing in learning is you learn to listen and listen to learn, and they are doing it to the highest degree of learning. So I'm very happy that they are coping with the way I want them to play, and they are doing their best, and I'm very happy to see them playing like that. Because I like good football. I like good football. My philosophy is adding beauty to goal scoring, and I saw it last, and then I was very happy.
Coach, on Sunday you had Lord Amwa returning, the right back. How positive is his return?
Well, I think he should have. Last week we brought him to the bench, and I gave him some few minutes to play, just to make him ready for the game. So I'm very happy that he's back.
Are there news of any injury situations that we have to be worried about?
It's the normal ones. We had entry, Minta, and Co. Apart from that, after the match we played on Sunday, luckily we don't have any injury situation now.
Okay. Coach, we wish you the very best for Sunday, and then we wish that you come home with a victory.
Thank you very much.